Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. As always, I remain loyal. So there's the first day you're coming across this channel for the first time. This is Agatha Progress channel, and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, as you can see, we bring the latest and we bring the happening all over the globe. And in this channel also, we react to all videos. Yes, all videos, and I do hope you join the family. Right now, this video you are about to watch, I don't know what you felt about this video, but I hope you do pick some sense from this video. All right, let's dive into the news in details.
This is so serious, but the most important thing is that the truth is out. There is nothing that one can do to hide the truth. I have a wonderful video here. The video throws more light on the happening right in Biafra land, especially with our gallant men, Eastern Security Network. Now, they have searched for everything that they are going to do, but they found none. Right now, what they ought to do is to just in one way or the other make it so tough for Eastern Security Network by using fake people claiming they are Eastern Security Network. When they go to stores to buy something, they don't want to pay money or the name of Eastern Security. Right now, what they are doing is this. They now move from stores to stores, collecting things on credit they don't want to pay. When the owner of the store tells them to pay, they will say no, they are not paying because they have been in the forest, in the bush, fighting Fulani herdsmen, fighting for those that are raped. So therefore, they are not going to pay a dime from what they bought. So that is what they are now using our men to do. That is what they are now using our brothers to do. Lying to themselves. Do you know that all these things, they are all plan work? They are paid job, but I urge them to learn new skills because these skills is not working anymore. So I have a video that we are going to watch together. What is really going on? Now here is the video. Let's watch it.
I will start, but I want to make this announcement so that people will understand. You know, the zoo, they are they are cracking their brains, which they don't have anyway, because everything they pay millions and billions for everything. Listen attentively, please. What they are coming, the plan they are using on us. Listen. Somebody said the other day in Onisha market, Bikogen and Teofuma, so that you understand. Listen attentively. Because here we expose to you the whole plans of our enemies. Their modus operandi. You know what happened? Say one young man, bought something, started buying something in somebody's buka, and buying things. After he finished buying, time to pay. The woman gathered everything, give him his wares, and the woman said, "Pay my money." The boy said, what are you saying? I said, my money now. Your money is 4,000 naira. They say it's 4,000 naira. You know what the boy said? The young man said, I am ESN. We are here fight. I've been in the bush. I'm in the bush. We're in the bush fighting for your security, for your survival. Aren't you enjoying what we are doing? Look at no more raping in the bush. And you are asking that I should pay you this and that. The woman said, but this is my way of survival now. So how can I? He said, I am a member of ESN. So I don't need to pay. I need to come. As he was talking, he started handling the woman. And people were watching. So after some other, he said, one other man came rapidly. Say, what is happening? Because people gather, in our place now, I don't know, people have become so cowardly. Now, one other man came out very clean shaven. Came up and asked the young man, what is happening? Why are you beating this woman? He said, look, we are inside the bush. protecting them, and I come to buy something I don't have money, I shouldn't pay. Because we are sacrificing our life for all of you. So I shouldn't pay. They said the other man said, okay, is that so? He went out. Within a few minutes, he came back with the other men, and they carried the young man. Go. And they took the young man and entered inside the car and went. And that's it. Let me tell you one thing. And they say the writer of this thing, the narrator of this thing started saying that, look, some people started talking many things against ECN. No, can the ECN wagesi ejida. Ota ka Biafra wagesi abia. Hey, mbakwa urukwa like this, we stop it. Mbakwa, how can you buy no pay? Hey, blah 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 blah. Oh, Chineke, I say, look. This is why we need to sound this alert. Look. Do you know what happened? This is another strategy by the zoo police and military. Listen. Ndi na-akpa nkata, they are Igbo people, because the Fulani have conditioned these people always to make a plan for self-conquest. Do you understand? For self-conquest. Do you know that the people that even pushed for during 1967 to 1970, during the war, the people that were vehement on crushing Biafra, they are Biafrans. Azikiwe was one of them. Okpa Biafra is one of them. There are some of them inside the Biafran military. They are the people. The people say no, don't stop. They are the people bringing plans in order to heal us down, to kill us. Let me tell you what these people want to do. All those, any person you see that come out on the market buying something, say I'm ESN. He's a zoo police or a military. He's not. No ESN can come out on the streets, start telling you I'm ESN. No, please. You know what they want to do? They want to bring backlash. They want to spoil the mind of the whole people, the whole population. So that now the population will be against ESN. Listen, do you know what Hope was? Do you know what the governors in Igbo land, Igbo Biafran land, do you know, even wicked, do you know what they say? They say that they will use money, that about Niger. They will use money to bribe those people, to cut those people off, to cut our people off from the leadership. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. So that they will neutralize everybody, bribe everybody into submission. This is what they are doing. This is what they want to do. And that is why, as our leader have warned, and as we are telling you, any person that one meeting with ESN, with IPOB, eager you die. Listen, what we are doing, this is not a local champion or childish game. What we are doing is not childish game. So that you go to the meeting to get contact. You go, they will kill you. Any meeting direct, it will be directly to the leadership or with the leadership. International. What we are doing, we are not here to joke or to do so that you will get at least contacts to start having a contract. Gone are these days. People don't understand what you. Gone are these days when they will use money to, to bribe and to do you this and that or contact. And you come, okay, we want to have peace meeting. Which kind of peace meeting, for goodness sake? Which kind of peace meeting? Where? They will lodge you in Sheraton Hotel, in Abuja, Hilton, in this. So because you never even sleep in a 4-star hotel before, talk less of 5-star or more. That's why that is all these things. That is what kills many of our people. That is what compromises them. So what am I saying? Let me continue in this. Any person that come and finish buying something from you, selling or doing anything, after you start shouting, I'm ESN, this is a planned work. The person that come, the people that came collect